This is the Motion Magic Pro. Basically, there's a normal projector here, the normal projector which is mounted here. We have a sensor and the software inside the system which makes it interactive. So this is a 8 feet by 6 feet projection what is going on right now. So basically the sensor, it makes the projector interactive, what we have. In this we have the Motion Magic software which is here. So with the help of this you can make this floor interactive. Basically a normal floor is made interactive. Based on this we have various templates, applications, games, effects, which will help you in making this 8 feet by 6 feet interactive. So running through this, I'll just take you through some effects what we have created. So these are just the demo applications what we have created. On the similar lines we can go ahead and customize everything. You can have your brand image, brand name behind, and some effects over here. So this is one of the card effects what we have made. You can have it as a welcome mat as well. Keep it at the opening ceremony or something as a welcome mat, 8 feet by 6 feet, and we can stage it up to 150 feet, so it can go that much long. We have used it in this wedding events as well. We have the rose petals. So events in Ahmedabad, Surat, they have used it as a wedding, as a big walkway for the bride and the groom. So the content that they use is some rose petals or water effect at time. We can create games. Now these are some demo games what we have already created. So on your lines as well, like what do you want us to create? So this was done for AT&T. So they had used it as a welcome mat. Basically branding was done as a welcome mat.
Anil, you tell me when you are.
Yeah, I think after this I'll be.
The water effect template. Some of the games then, this is the hand game. So these are some of the just demo applications what we have. You can go ahead and create as you want. Again, this is also application. So instead of having a brand, you can have the advertisement video also going behind this, and we can have, instead of this, if you want your products to be here in a scatter effect format, we can have that as well. Some of the games is balloon effect game. We have football in this also, virtual football. Basically this game is jump free, playing actual football. So people in US mostly prefer, in the kindergartens and all, they prefer this kind of game. This is the virtual football game what we have. Then cake and flies game, Then this is a beautiful flower scatter effect. And it is a multi-touch, so even if I am coming from this side and you are coming from here, it will recognize everyone's movement. So basically the sensor helps in recognizing everyone's movement, and according to that the applications will react to the sun. This is the year of game. And this has the sound effect as well, so behind that we can have this. So this is the Motion Magic Pro what we have.